Paul McCartney is planning to have a wonderful Christmas time after wrapping up his 2024 tour on December 19th with an exciting concert in London that featured guest appearances by his Beatles bandmate Ringo Starr and Rolling Stones guitarist Ronnie Wood. McCartney shared his Christmas plans and other details in the year-end edition of his You Gave Me the Answer segment. One of those details was whether he intended to produce any new music in the following year. The fan Q&A included a query on Paul's Christmas plans. McCartney stated that he planned to take a well-deserved rest, adding, "It's Christmas, so it's family time for me. We have the decorations up already, and I'm one of those men who likes to go overboard with decorations, so I need a minute to sit back, relax, and appreciate them. So that's what I have to look forward to." He was also asked what he was most grateful for as 2024 came to an end. "My family, as always. My kids and my wife Nancy, who are all great people," answered Paul. "I adore them. With them and the grandchildren, I have a pretty fun family to spend out with, especially at Christmas with all the presents. They say, 'Thank you, Granddad, for the presents.' I adore them. And that's only Nancy.